After making thousands of Solana profit between Photon and BullX, I've made the switch to Axiom Pro about a week ago. Incredible is their built-in reward system that gives you Solana back just by trading like you already would. I've already made 5.23 Sol just in cashback rewards from Axiom. I started around April 15th, which is exactly 7 days ago, and I've just been slowly earning Solana back. And when you look down under the referrals tab, I also have 0 people down here referred. This means that all this money I've earned is just from me trading. This is great because it goes to show that you don't need any followers or any connections at all to be making passive income on Axiom. Now, if you put this passive income into perspective, at this rate, I'd be making between 20 and 30 Sol completely passively per month just by cashback for me trading. At these current Solana prices is between $3,000 and $5,000, which is more than a lot of people make working jobs. Now, if you want to start earning rewards like this on Axiom, make sure to use the link below. I'm gonna have it in the comments and the description. This link is gonna get you started on a higher rewards tier. And in this video, I wanna walk you through my entire Axiom Pro trading setup to show you how you can hit P&Ls like these, but also make your trading experience much smoother and more enjoyable for the long run. Because the best way to become a profitable trader in meme coins is to have a setup that works for you and a setup that makes it easy to spot narratives early and not miss out on opportunities. So when you click on the link down below, it's gonna take you to this sign up page. You're going to click start trading. And from here, you're just going to have to enter an email address. After you type in your email, this code should already be embedded for you if you clicked the link down below. This is the code that's going to get you started on the higher rewards tier and the higher cashback tier. Click sign up, check your email inbox, and then put the 6-digit verification code, and then pick a password and write this password down somewhere safe. And just like that, you're signed up for Axiom. I typically click allow on this if you're on Google. This allows Axiom to see the contract addresses that you've copied once you actually start trading. And then after you save your key, click next, and boom, finish. You're going to have access to your new wallet. You're going to want to save this wallet address and send yourself Solana. What I did is I just sent myself all my extra Sol from Photon and BullX straight into my Axiom wallet. Now, by using my code down below, you're going to get started on 2x rewards rather than 1x. Now, once you send yourself the Solana, it's going to pop up here and you're going to see your balance. But the first thing you want to do when you set up Axiom is you just want to familiarize yourself with the layout and the setup. So the first thing I like to do is just look at the bottom. You can see you have your presets, you have all of your wallets, you have your wallet tracker, Twitter tracker, P&L tracker. So the P&L tracker is this thing right here. You can actually make it smaller or bigger. You can have it on your screen. You can turn it on, turn it off.